Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101, and as you can see in front of me I have my journal, which is the Wild Floral Classic Size Happy Planner. I'm pulling some pages out and I'm going to go ahead and start planning. I did want to make a floral spread because those are absolutely one of my favorite spreads ever, and this is by far my favorite planner. This is where I get to pour my heart out and not necessarily plan my life. So this sticker book that I'm going to be using is from Live Love Posh. She has some really incredible florals. So I wanted to go ahead and use a little bit of those florals in my spread today. And I remembered that she has these, which are so lovely, and I wanted to use them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying them. And as I'm doing that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are brand new, welcome. This plan with me will be super quick. My journal is kind of a free fall or freestyle where I just place stickers as I feel they look good, and then I write around them as necessary. So it's not anything structured like my other ones, but again, I truly do enjoy this one quite a bit. I get to put my heart into this one. And look at these florals, right? I mean, they are absolutely stunning, and I can't get enough already, and I barely started using them. Let's take a look. I'm gonna cover up that note section and add those flowers in here. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything with the peach tones or that lily flower underneath. I think that can just very well stay as it is. So I'm just gonna take some of those bigger florals and add them to my spread as well. Maybe like so, a little bit in the center never hurts. These are just so gorgeous. So if you have that book and you haven't used them yet, like I said, these are some of my favorite stickers. And it's just so much fun looking back at the full spread and the full planner when a year is done or 6 months are done. It's pretty awesome to be able to look back. So I'm just adding some random flowers all over the place. The spread is already looking fuller and kind of finished. So I'm just adding just little pieces here and there to finish it off. Look how pretty that single one is. Okay, and next is this one, which I truly, oh my gosh, do you see that? Do you see what I see? It's just beautiful. Jessica really does an amazing job designing her florals, and I'm just gonna add one in between Tuesday and Wednesday like this. Oh, gorgeous. And I think I'm just gonna add small elements all over to help me finish up the spread. Look at this beautiful floral. I can go ahead and add it right there. Oh, this is just gorgeous. just adding a few more little pieces to the spread to finish it up and make it look really pretty. And I actually finished the full page, a full page of stickers. No problem for one spread. Like I said, super quick and easy, but it brings me so much joy looking at this. Just makes me happy and kind of excited for the upcoming week to be able to write in it. Okay, that is it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, let me know, give it a thumbs up, and of course, if you're not following already, please follow me so we can have more fun like this. Thank you so much and have a great week. Bye!